Hello guys, welcome back to C language tutorial by Basic Techno. The language has been given the name C because it succeeds another language called B. C is one of the most popular computer programming language which has existed since the last 47 years. It was created by the famous programmer Dennis Ritchie with the help of Ken Thompson while working at Bell Labs in 1972. C language has evolved from three different structured languages: ALGO, BCPL, which stands for Basic Combined Programming Language, and B. B is the language developed by Ken Thompson in 1970. C is also called an offspring of BCPL because earlier the language B was used for improving the Unix system. Being a high-level language, B allowed much faster production of code than in assembly code. Still, B suffered from drawbacks as it did not understand data types and did not provide the use of structures. To overcome the drawbacks, Dennis Ritchie developed a programming language called C. He kept in C language of B's syntax and added data types and many other required changes. Eventually, C was developed during 1972, containing both high-level and low-level functionality. So that is the reason we can call the C language as middle-level language. What is this low-level and high-level functionality? Which means high-level is in human understandable method and low-level is in machine understandable method, where human can easily understand high-level and machine can easily understand low-level language. C language consists of both functionality, so we are calling it as middle-level language. Thus, many of Unix components, including Unix kernel itself, were eventually written in C. BCP and B are data type less language. However, C language has a variety of data types. It uses many concepts from these languages and introduced many new concepts such as data types, structure, and pointers. By the way, in 1989, the C language was standardized by ANSI, which stands for American National Standard Institution. Also in 1990, a version of C language was approved by ISO, which stands for Internal Standard Organization. And that version of C is also referred to as C89. Before going to programming, we should know what are the advantages of C language. C is a highly portable language. Portable language means suppose if you write a C code in your machine, it will run on any machine which supports C without modifying a single line of code because it is not tied to any hardware or system. That is why C is called a portable language. And coming to advantages of C language, code or syntax is very easy to understand. Adding new feature is easier and faster. Program code is always secured. And C compiler is very faster than other language compiler. Now, what's the compiler? It is a special program that statements written in particular programming language and turn them into machine code. By the way, best compiler for C are Borland Turbo C. Turbo C is one of the basic and popular compiler for the C programming language. Another one is Tiny C compiler. The Tiny C compiler is designed to work on slow computers. Another one, Portable C compiler. It will work on any operating system devices. Another one is GCC. It is the most popular and easier compiler. Last one, CLang. These are the best compilers for C. The question raises in our mind is why do we need compiler? Because computer can't understand the source code directly. So the compiler is intermediate between human readable format and machine readable format. The compiler will praise the source file and translate into machine understandable object file. The best platform for coding in C language is Genie software and GCC compiler. If you want to download, you can get the link in description.